Hey, Oliver here from the Hooked Camper YouTube channel, and welcome back to Australia. Tonight, we are cooking a campfire kangaroo steak dinner to ease back into our videos. So we've prepared our firewood from small to medium to large, so we are ready to begin lighting our fire. Potatoes soft, a little bit crisp. And now, it all comes down to this, the kangaroo steak. It looks pretty good. Cooked it well, it's tender. Juicy. It's a little bit gamey. It's a very meaty tasting meat, but I like it. A little bit of smokiness from the fire as well. Well, that's a wrap for that cooking attempt. I thought it was delicious. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had kangaroo, and don't forget to check out the Hooked Camper YouTube channel for past and future adventures. Thanks for watching.